Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Custom Adventurist. So today we'll be comparing the Airpods Gen 3 to a fake. Alright, now let's get right into the packaging. So starting off, they look fairly identical. The packaging is very seamless. It's just about the exact same. In fact, I'd almost say it is the exact same. And we even have these little tabs just open up. Nice and smooth. Okay, I like that. Alright, and now opening up the case of the two. The AirPods, of course, the actual AirPods come out a lot easier. The fakes are having a bit of trouble here. There we go. Alright, starting off, we have their starter guides as well as manuals for both of them. We have the AirPods Gen 3 here and the fakes right here. Just take the earbuds out, and under that we have the charging cable. Now for the fakes, we're just going to take these out, and under that we have the charging cable, just the exact same as the actual AirPods. And yeah, that's it for the packaging. Now for the design of the case. The front, back, and bottom of both cases are basically identical. On the front, they both have an LED to indicate battery life and charging, as well as an indent to help with the opening of the case. On the back, they both look very similar, but if you look close enough, you can see that the hinge on the fake is a little more rough than that of the original. As well, the text color and font are a little different. Onto the bottom, they have a lightning charging port, and you can see that the original has a slightly darker metal around it than the fakes do. But other than that, they're identical. Now for the design of the earbuds. Again, the clone has done a very good job replicating the AirPods, but there are some slight differences we can pick out. On the outside of the earbud, the second microphone port is a dud on the fakes, and that one is really obvious. As well as the touchpad is slightly more indented than on the originals. The originals just blended in a little better than the fakes. And finally, the lettering for the letter indicators and the other lettering on the earbuds is slightly different in text and color. And yeah, that's it for the design of the earbuds. Now for the price of the two. The AirPods Gen 3 go for around $180 US, while the fakes only cost $40 US, which is a massive gap. Now for the audio quality. The AirPods Gen 3, of course, are a very solid pair of earbuds. They're very balanced, and overall, just a solid pair, something I would recommend. Now the fakes, they have less than a quarter of the budget. They are almost a seamless pair of fakes, and yet they still perform for the audio quality. These things are some of the best fakes I have ever tried throughout my life, and we have reviewed many pairs of fakes on this channel throughout the years. These are by far some of the best. They have spatial audio that actually works, and it's pretty good. Their audio, it lacks a bit of power, it's not quite as balanced, but it's still pretty good. And it's 40 bucks. It's a steal. It is truly one of the best pairs of earbuds that I've had that were $40. Honestly, hard to beat right there. They're dang good. And overall, of course, they don't quite measure up to the AirPods, because the AirPods, they're the originals. If they matched up with the originals, then they'd be better. Then I'd say go buy these instead. But they're not. They're still freaking good though, and that's the key point. These fakes are getting better and better each time Apple comes out with a new product. Soon, they might be as good or even better than the original. Hopefully that day comes soon. When it does come, you'll know about it from us. Now for the battery life. They both claim to get around 6 hours of audio playback with an additional 30 hours with the case. This has not been confirmed by me, and we will test it in a future battery drain test, so look forward to that. Now for the connectivity. We'll start off with the AirPods Gen 3. Simply open up the case, hold the button on the back, press connect, and continue holding the button. And just like that, you're paired nice and easy. There we go. Now for the fakes, just simply hold the button on the back and wait. There we go. It pops up with the little icon like the normal AirPods. Press connect. Hold the button on the back. And just like that, we're paired. Just like the original AirPod Gen 3s. That's actually a really good clone. That's really impressive. Now real quick, we'll go through the features on settings. You have automatic ear detection, you can change the name, you can adjust spatial audio, You can adjust the microphone as well as charging, and then it gives you the model details. So not that much, but we'll see how close the clone comes to this. Okay, the clone, they basically have the exact same setup. We can change the name, automatic ear detection, spatial audio, the microphone, optimized battery charging, and then it gives us the model details. This clone is definitely a really good one. Now for the mic quality.
Alright, so in my ears right now are the fake Airpods Gen 3, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. This is just like what a normal conversation would sound like. Alright, I'm going to turn on the stadium crowd effect noise in 3, 2, 1. The stadium crowd effect noise is now on. Hopefully you can still hear my voice loud and clear. Testing, 1, 2, 3. These are fake Airpods Gen 3.
Alright, so in my ears right now are the Airpods Gen 3, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm going to turn on the stadium crowd effect noise in 3, 2, 1. Alright, the stadium crowd effect noise is now on. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the Airpods Gen 3. Now for the features. They both have ear sensors so they connect automatically when you pull them out of the case. They both have wireless charging. You can connect both the real and fake pair of AirPods to the same device and have them play music simultaneously. The only issue is the fakes have a slight delay. You can track both of them on the Find My app and ping them if they're lost. The real earbuds have Hey Siri support while the fakes do not. Both have multiple touch functions with a haptic squeeze pad, and both of them have spatial audio. Now for my personal opinion. Overall, these things are a really freaking good pair of earbuds. I love these. I actually might make these my daily drivers just to see if people can spot out the difference between the fakes and the real ones, because they're almost a perfect clone. The audio quality is high quality. It's good. The spatial audio, it works well. These clones, it's hard to find a lot to complain about. They're a lot cheaper. Overall, these fakes have done a great job, and I was extremely surprised by the results of this. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to check these out, the links will be in the description below, except the fakes won't. Now here's why. They're fake. They're not the original product. They're stealing their intellectual property. That's wrong. Because of that, I will not grant access to the link because we don't support buying these fakes because they're not the real thing. If you want the real thing, you got a good product, go to apple.com. The fakes, I'm sorry, I'm not giving you guys the link. But yeah, we also have our merch linked below in the description. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.